adjectives, questions about food, and expressions for having or not having something, all in Hebrew. These phrases will help you describe people, talk about objects, and ask for things in everyday conversation. Let's begin! A new phrase is
הילד שמח, the boy is happy,
האישה שמחה,
the woman is happy. זה ספר יפה, this is a nice book,
האוכל טעים,
the food is tasty.
יש חלב, is there any milk?
אין מים, there is no water.
יש לי תפוח,
I have an האוכל.
דלאי and כלב, they don't have a dog.
Let's be הילד the boy,
שמח happy,
masculine,
האישה the woman, שמחה happy,
feminine. זה this,
נספר book יפו,
nice beautiful.
האוכל the food טעים, tasty, יש, there is,
There are חלב, milk,
and there's don't have,
מים, water.
יש לי
I have
תפוח,
apple,
and
they don't have.
כלב dog. Review from previous lessons. Shalom. מה קורה? Hi, how are you? בסדר, תודה. Fine, thanks.
הילדה אוכלת תפוז, the girl is eating an orange.
הוא רוצה עוגה ואני רוצה תפוח.
He wants a cake and I want an apple.
אנחנו הנשים, we are the women.
יש לי כלב, I have a dog.
Let's put it all together.
Shalom.
יש חלב.
Hi.
Is there any milk? אין מים, אבל יש לי תפוח.
There is no water, but I have an apple.
הילד שמח והאוכל טעים. The boy is happy and the food is tasty. זה ספר יפה.
This is a nice book,
האישה שמחה.
the woman is happy.
זה ספר יפה. This is a nice book. האישה שמחה.
The woman is happy.
זה ספר יפה.
This is a nice book.
Book.
כל הכבוד תלמידים.
You've learned how to talk about feelings, describe things, and ask about what you have or don't have. להתראות.
כל הכבוד תלמידים. We've learned how to talk about feelings, describe things, and ask about what you have or don't have.
להתראות.